Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Layer Manager to manage all the points that you have on your map screen within FieldGenius. So what I'm going to do to begin here is you can see I've got a project with what is 55,000 points on it, which is quite frankly quite unmanageable. And what I want to do is I want to turn off some of these, including a field topo and some other various descriptions. So what I'm going to do is in the top menu bar, I'm going to click on my Layer Manager option here, the yellow one with the three little squares. And you can see here I have my point database expanded. And within my point database, you can see I have a whole bunch of different descriptions here which align to all the different points that have been shot in this project. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn some of these off. So what I can do is I can turn off my field topo, and if I back out, you can see I've removed quite a few points here. And again, I'm going to open up my Layer Manager and turn off the undefined points. And again, you're going to see that eliminates quite a large amount of my points. So I'm left with only a certain subsection left. And I can always go back into this menu and turn them back on to get all the available points shown in my project. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use the Layer Manager to manage the points that you see on the map screen. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.